this is Joicy again and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get rid of split ends. So sa nag-request ng video na ito, shout out sa'yo kay Miss Rosalyn Peria. Sabi niya, paano ko po ba maaalis ang split ends ko sa buhok? Sana po ay masagot ninyo ang tanong ko. So Miss Rosalyn Peria, shout out to you. Ito na yung pinaka most requested video na gusto mo kung paano nga ba natin masusolusyonan yung split ends. If you wanna know, please keep on watching, at kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please i-click mo na yung subscribe button at notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod kong video. Just stay tuned for the rest of the video. First of all guys, ano nga ba yung pinagmumulan ng split ends? So, split ends happen when the ends of your hair become dry, brittle, and frayed. So, ganito po yung itsura ng healthy hair at saka hindi. Yung isa, merong split end. So, nadadamage din yung hair natin dahil sa weather conditions, lalo na dito sa Philippines, mainit, sobrang init. Isa yan sa nakakapagpa-damage sa hair natin. And yung hair care techniques such as blow drying, straightening, and curling may cause split ends. They're also caused by chemical hair products. And yung bad nutrition din, nakakapagpa-damage din yan ng hair natin, lalo na kapag lack of nutrients tayo due to an unsatisfactory diet, vitamin deficiencies, and hormones all play a role in the health of our hair. Kaya sis, ang number one na solusyon sa split ends is to trim them off. Unfortunately, the only real cure for split ends is a trim. Getting regular trims will actually help your hair grow faster and stronger. So, kinakailangan natin magpa-trim ng buhok every 3 months or 4 months para maging healthy at mawala yung split ends sa baba ng hair natin na nagkakos ng pagka-damage at pagka-break ng ating buhok. This is because if the split ends aren't cut off, the hair will just continue breaking higher. So, mas mataas yung chance na magkaroon tayo ng hair loss dahil sa split ends higher along the hair shaft, and you'll end up with frizzier and hair as a result. So, ayan mga sis, last na nagpa-trim ako ng buhok last year pa, noong December. And then, ngayon ay January, February, March, ay trimming na ulit ang buhok ko para maging healthy yung pinakadulo ng aking buhok. Ayan, si mother ang nagtitrim lang ng aking buhok. So, ayan guys, after trimming, next thing to do is you can try using smoothing hair products such as oils and serums to help hydrate the hair. It can minimize the appearance of split ends. Regular trims are the only cure for split ends once they appear. So ayan, tapos na i-trim ni Nana yung buhok ko guys. The next thing to do is to put an oil. You can try using smoothing hair products such as oils and serums to help hydrate the hair. It can minimize the appearance of split ends. So, kahit anong oil guys, pwede nyo ilagay. Olive oil, castor oil. Sa akin, ang nilalagay ko sa hair ko ay coconut oil. So, ito guys, yung homemade virgin coconut oil na ginawa ko lang. And let's move on to the next one. How to prevent split ends. Paano natin may iwasan ang split ends? When it comes to split ends, prevention is the best treatment. It's important to keep in mind that split ends and dryness go hand in hand. So keeping your hair hydrated is key. Nourish your hair from the inside out. So kinakailangan ma-nourish natin yung hair natin mula sa loob hanggang sa labas. Our first and foremost tip when it comes to growing shiny, long, strong hair is nourishing yourself with food. So, kailangan natin kumain ng mga masusustansyang pagkain. This means eating a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, and being proactive by taking supplements if you feel like you may not be getting all the nutrients you need from your diet alone. So, pwede din po tayong gumamit ng mga supplements para po mapunan yung mga kulang na pangailangan ng nutrients sa hair natin. Pwede rin po tayo gumamit ng biotin and folic acids. in particular have a demonstrated ability to improve hair health, length, and thickness. Ang biotin guys ay matatagpuan natin sa mga walnuts, lentils, and brown rice. At ang folic acid naman ay matatagpuan natin sa mga leafy greens and oranges. It can help facilitate the production of red blood cells which powers hair growth. Also, ensuring you are well hydrated is key. And then guys, use the right products. Gumamit tayo ng tamang shampoos and conditioners at saka mga styling products para sa ating buhok. For instance, mas best na iwasan natin yung mga clarifying shampoos na nagbibigay ng hard sa hair natin at nag-aalis ng necessary oils. At saka, maraming mga hair products na punong-puno ng toxic chemicals, harsh drying agents, and other ingredients like parabens and sulfates which do your hair more harm than good. Kaya mas mainam na gumamit tayo ng mga products na natural and organic. Kaya guys, mas mainam na binabasa natin yung mga ingredient kapag bibili tayo ng mga hair care product. Organic hair products are worth it. Maiiwasan natin na gumastos ng mahal at ma-revive yung hair natin sa murang halaga kapag tayo ay gumagamit ng mga natural products. So, hindi na natin kinakailangang magpasalon pa or magpa-treatments ng napakamahal. So, ayan guys, na-spread ko na yung coconut oil sa buong hair ko at ready na to para ibabad ng 1 hour. And then, tsaka ko siya babanlawan. So, ayan guys, next thing to do, after nating maligo, gumamit tayo ng soft na tela para sa ating buhok. Huwag po yung towel, kasi pag yung towel, nagkakos din yun ng dryness ng buhok at saka ng pagka-damage ng ating mga buhok. And then, kung magsusuklay naman po tayo ng buhok, unahin natin yung pinaka-bottom kesa sa root. The more na mas inuuna natin yung sa baba, mas lessen yung hair fall. So, ganito yung paraan ng pagsusuklay ko kapag after kong maligo. Mas inuuna ko yung pinaka-bottom part kesa sa root. Tapos, gumamit po tayo ng white tooth comb para maiwasan po yung breakage. Sa ganitong pagkakataon, mas lessen yung hair fall na malalaglag sa hair natin. Avoid using hair dryer, curling iron, and hair straightener na nagkakos din ng split ends. Last one guys, another things to do para maiwasan natin yung split ends is condition your hair first. Ibig sabihin, i-follow natin yung method na condition, shampoo, condition. Ibig sabihin, bago natin i-shampoohin yung buhok natin, maglagay muna tayo ng conditioner, pahiran muna natin siya ng conditioner, tapos banlawan, and then bago natin siya shampoohin, and then after natin siya shampoohin ulit, banlawan, tapos conditioner ulit. Lagyan ng conditioner ulit para mas maganda yung effect niya sa buhok natin at hindi hindi directly mapunta sa hair natin yung shampoo at hindi ma-damage. Makaiwas po tayo sa split ends at sa damage ng hair natin. So, ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Kung nakatulong po sa inyo ang video na to, Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! See you next time. Mwah!